in my mind, the most important things to keep on hand in your medicine cabinet, obviously out of the reach of children, would be a bottle of Benadryl, just in case you have an allergic reaction. You can take one Benadryl and that'll start working immediately. It's also great to have aspirin on hand in case you start having chest pain. And the last thing that you should probably always keep on hand is some antibiotic ointment for any kind of wound. So if you happen to cut yourself in the kitchen while you're cooking dinner, just make sure you wash your wound with soap and water. If it's not too deep that you need to come visit my department, go ahead and put some antibiotic ointment on it and a Band-Aid and you'll be good to go. That's all I have for you. 3 very easy things to keep in your medicine cabinet at home. And if you have to come our way, we'd be very happy to provide excellent care to you.